Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2019 Hyundai Sonata. With the exception of the fog light and the side marker, which are both LED, all of the headlights are accessible by simply reaching behind their bulb housing. You may need to remove a cover, but no tools nor extensive parts removals will be necessary to change these bulbs. The taillights are also easy to reach behind panels in the trunk and the hatch door. You may need a rivet popper to remove the latter, but both panels remove with ease to then give you direct access to the bulbs. The spare tire and jack kit are packaged together beneath the lining in the trunk. This will allow for quick access, easy removal, and simple setup in the event you need to service a flat. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. While the terminals are easily accessible, you must remove the air filter intake vent in order to access the battery on the hole. This, as well as the generally cramped position of the battery, will make it difficult to remove should it ever need to be replaced. Two separate and large panels from underneath the vehicle must be removed in order to access the petcock. Not only will this put you in an awkward position to work in, but it will also make for time-consuming coolant flushes. You'll need a panel puller in order to pry the wiper blades off of their wiper arms. Other models will allow you to change the blades without the use of tools. Overall, the 2019 Hyundai Sonata is a relatively easy car to maintain, making it a good choice for the new or inexperienced vehicle owner.